Now let's go on to how social class is determined. Income versus social class. Many people believe that more money means higher social standing, but income is not strongly related to social class for several reasons. For example, many U.S. blue-collar workers have higher incomes than some white-collar workers, yet they do not have higher social class standing. Next is occupation and education. The greatest determinant of class standing is occupation, particularly in Western cultures, especially those occupations that require higher levels of education, skill, or training. Researchers can easily measure occupation by asking consumers what they do for a living. Then they can code the responses and compare it using the socioeconomic index. Here is the example. Now let's move on to other indicators of social class. Factors such as area of residence, possessions, family background, and social interactions can also indicate class level. In terms of family background, researchers distinguish between inherited and earned status. Inherited status is derived from parents at birth, while earned status is acquired later in life through achievements. The relative importance of these determinants of social class varies from country to country. In formerly communist countries such as Romania, money and possessions are not the strongest determinants of social standing, as opposed to the former criterion of position in the communist country. And the last one is social class indexes. All of the preceding factors must be taken into account to determine social class standing, and sociologists have developed a number of indexes to accomplish this task. Older tools such as the index of status characteristics and the index of social position have been criticized as being out of date and inappropriate for gauging status of dual career households. Researchers now use more current indexes, the Computerized Status Index. This index assesses consumers' education, occupation, area of residence, and income. Status crystallization. When consumers are consistent across indicators of social class, income, education, occupation, etc. That's all. Thank you.